Yes, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How are you all doing? This is LawyerTAJ reaching you from Lagos, Nigeria. I'm the host for this event today, and with me are a lot of leaders who are also co-hosts on here. It is awesome to have you all here, and I just want to let you guys know that we do this every 8 p.m. on Sunday. Consistency is the key, and that is why we do this, so that a lot of people can be alleviated from poverty. A lot of people can create another stream of income, and a lot of people can use this as a means of empowerment. Because you see this opportunity, it officially makes you a crypto trader. And who's a crypto trader? A crypto trader is one who trades on the cryptocurrency market. So it's awesome to have you all here, 52 people on the call. I would like to know if you're joining us for the first time, and if you're a RoyalQ member. I want to use this time to welcome Mr. Raf, joining us from England as a RoyalQ member. Ultimate Cash is also from Newi, and he's a RoyalQ member. Shizoba from Lagos, a member. And we have Ms. Victoria Olubiyi, who's on here and is not yet a member. Zion Oko from Jos, it's good to have you on the call. It's good to have all you beautiful people on here. Now, what is the foundation we're about to lay before we begin? The foundation is simply the fact that in the world we live today, you cannot live with just one stream of income. You need to create multiple streams of income. And of course, we all know that the early users, the early investors in a new innovation tend to create a whole lot of wealth. The knowledge you're about to get today, it's not one you can get from any school or from any university. Even the professors still do not know what is happening on here. But with this knowledge, you can propel yourself towards a world of cryptocurrency, holding cryptocurrency, trading cryptocurrency profitably, and creating streams of income for yourself. And also a generational business that you can share with everyone who is a friend or a member or a colleague of yours. It's good to see Mr. Aleto all the way from Canada. Good to have you here, my brother. So please, the co-host, please help me add the people as they come on the call. And immediately I want to go into sharing my screen so that we can officially begin what we have for today. Yeah, so if you can see my screen, just type the number 1 on the chat. If you can see my screen, just type 1 from the chat. It's good to have you here, Pastor Wyrie. It's awesome to have you. Thank you for coming on the call. Right. Awesome. So we are beginning immediately, and I tell you, this call is not going to get to 9 o'clock. Within the next 40 minutes, we will be done. I will take the presentation, and then we'll have Mr. OJ Wells come on the call and give us his testimony, because that guy is an awesome trader. I would not say much. I will wait for him to take on the call, and then we will ask him some few questions. Good to have you here, Mr. OJ Wells, our engineer, our architect, our crypto trader, our everything in one. You're too much, bros, you know.
Barrister Taj, I greet you specially. You are doing so well.
Thank you very much.
So well. I'm so proud of you. If you continue like this, you're heading for the top. I'm so proud of you.
V what? Say it well. V what?
I said, if you continue like this, you are heading for the top.
Yes,
V6.
the top. Now that one, V6 all day. We're ready to put in the work. Consistency is
that is where you have seamless financial flow for life.
Residual income unstoppable.
For life.
Awesome.
$10,000 every day.
And that is the truth, people. So
right on, Barrister Taj.
Thank you very much. We're about to look into RoyalQ, which is an app we use for crypto trading with artificial intelligence. But before we go into this, we need to lay a foundation. And just as I have said, we're in the times where one stream of income is not enough. We are seeing all over the world that fiat currency is decreasing in value due to inflation. And then somebody will ask me, how come all currencies all fiat currencies are losing value. It's simply because far back as 1972, President Richard Nixon removed the gold standard from the dollar. Before, currencies like the dollar used to be backed up by value, by a certain amount of gold, and that would limit the amount of printing. But since 1972, no fiat currency has remained the same. But before we go on to cryptocurrency, we need to look at the evolution of money. And I want one smart individual in the house to please let me know, what do you understand is cryptocurrency? What do you know is digital currency, virtual currency, or cryptocurrency? A smart individual in the house can just let us know that. And so please note, this is an interactive class where we can share ideas. You have the chat box on there. Feel free to ask your questions as we continue the presentation. And then afterwards, I assure you that we will have leaders take on your questions and give you the right answers. Right, before we go about talking about cryptocurrency, we need to understand what we know as the evolution of money. How has money become cryptocurrency today? And if you look at your screen, you see it pretty clear that the first form of financial transactions that we humans did was known as trade by barter. In that system, there was no money. If you had rice and you wanted beans, you needed to look for someone who has beans and exchange it for it. But that system was not sustainable, and that's why it went to the second stage of gold, precious metals, metal coins. And then over the years, in the 21st century, we saw the promulgation of fiat money, which we also know as paper money. But paper money or fiat money is not enough to solve the financial situations that we found ourselves. And furthermore, humans began to create what we know as plastic cards. I remember in the early 90s when we were told that we're going to have some plastic card that will put in a machine and then money will come out. A lot of us were like, that's impossible. Just some card. How is it possible? But today, each and every one on this call have at least one plastic card, which is a bank card that we use. And furthermore, it evolved to electronic money. And for those of us who live in Kenya, who live in Ghana, you know what Momo is, you know what M-Pesa is, and other countries all over the world have different system of electronic money. And then finally, we came to the current stage of the evolution of money, which we know today as cryptocurrency. So if you were to be asked, what is cryptocurrency? The simple answer is cryptocurrency is the current stage in the evolution of money, because money has evolved over time to be what we know it to be today, which is cryptocurrency. Now, someone will ask me, what is the underlying technology? What makes cryptocurrency valid? How are you sure this is going to last? Ladies and gentlemen, cryptocurrency was the brainchild, the first brainchild of what we know as the blockchain technology. Blockchain technology. Let me take you back a little while. The internet, which we are using right now, is called the internet technology. And how did the internet become famous? Because many of us were born into the world where we didn't have internet, where we didn't even have phones. But at this time, we have the internet, which we work with. Now, the internet became valuable, became a class act, became famous because it has the ability to transfer information instantly just by clicking on enter. But the blockchain technology is called the Internet 2.0 because it not only has the ability to transfer information instantly, it has the ability to transfer what we know as value. And value, ladies and gentlemen, is money. And so what is the blockchain technology? The blockchain technology simply means a system, a decentralized system where your transactions are stored in blocks and then chained together that cannot be erased, cannot be edited, and cannot be destroyed. And this blockchain technology was one created by someone who we know as Satoshi Nakamoto. Now, we do not know if Satoshi is male or female, or a group of people or anything else. But what we have today is the blockchain technology. And the first form of cryptocurrency, which was formed from the blockchain technology, is what we know as Bitcoin. Today, there are over 2,000 valid, legitimate trading cryptocurrencies all over the world, stemming from the blockchain technology. And that is to show you that even though these knowledge that we are discussing today, less than 10% of the world know what it is, but it is fast increasing. There is so much institutional acceptance that we see a lot of companies and countries taking advantage of the blockchain to create different aspects of human endeavor. Today, the blockchain is being used in different spheres of human endeavor, in farming, in insurance, in medicals, in golds, in diamond, in music, and a whole lot of different things. The blockchain is being used today. But remember that the brainchild of the blockchain technology was cryptocurrency, and its mother is Bitcoin. And so, would ask, how can we make money from cryptocurrency? Ladies and gentlemen, there are two different ways that you can make money from cryptocurrency. And if you check your screen, you see that they are, number one, holding, or what we crypto enthusiasts call hodling, and trading. So what does holding mean, or hodling? It simply means buying cryptocurrency and holding it for bigger gains. Just a second.
In addition to the blockchain technology, whatever transaction is recorded on blockchain can never be deleted. Blockchain don't lie. Blockchain is a permanent record for life. No human on earth, no technology on earth can erase, delete, or change blockchain if it is recorded on blockchain. If it's not blockchain, it can be manipulated. But if it is blockchain, it's for life.
Thank you very much for that, Mr. OJ. And so we can see holding is actually spelled hodling, because when Bitcoin started in 2008, 2009, when everybody was virtually calling it a scam, when everybody was saying, no, money cannot be virtual. How can we not see the money that we are holding and we say is money? A lot of people created a system where, but the fact that they bought those Bitcoin, as the value of Bitcoin began to increase, so they saw their finances increase. And so in that tumultuous time, one of the crypto enthusiasts means holding cryptocurrency for bigger gains. Another system that we see that we can create investment on cryptocurrency is by cryptocurrency trading. And by trading, we mean the juxtaposition of two different currencies to see how the value grows. For example, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ripple, and over 2,000 different types of cryptocurrencies. Now, it is important that we look into the different types of trade that we have in the system. What are the different types of trade that we humans handle? The different type of trades that we do is, for example, we have stock trading, we have commodity trading, and we're going to look briefly into these different types of trading. Now, the buying and selling of stocks is called stock trading, and these stocks are publicly traded companies on marketplaces like the New York Stock Exchange, the London Stock Exchange, and the Tokyo Stock Exchange. In terms of commodity trading, we mean the buying and selling of commodities like gold, silver, oil, agricultural products on marketplaces like CME and NYMEX. And so we're going to look at some other types of trading that a lot of us seem to know. Bond trading, for example, is the buying and selling of debt securities issued by governments or corporations on marketplaces like the US Treasury market. And on your screen, you can see 4 different trading on here more: options trading, futures trading, forex trading, and cryptocurrency trading. A lot of people are quite conversant with forex trading. So I want to ask a simple question. If you have traded the forex market before, just type the number 2. If you have traded the forex market, if you are a forex trader or have traded the forex market before, type the number 2. But if you have not traded before, just type the number 1. Let me see the number of people who have done this before. Kaya Samuel, I know your story.
Forex.
Forex is a killer. I traded the forex market for the better part of 12 years. 12 years I traded the forex market.
Barrister.
Yes, sir.
If you want to live long, avoid forex trading and future trading.
Thank you very much, my brother, because that 12 years of me trading, I didn't have one full year of no troubles. I was losing money constantly, consistently. And so I knew that that was not the market for me. As intelligent as I am, I was not making money from the forex market. Engineer Fix said he had hypertension because of the losses that he had. There was a day I was trading on the forex market in a very cold room. When I started losing money, I started sweating. I was sweating so hard, I closed my laptop. I thought I'd put it in the bag and zipped it up. As I took the bag and wanted to move away, the laptop flew out of the bag and broke immediately. I said, hey, that is a sign. God no one make I do this thing again. And so that is why I told myself, listen, Taj, this will not go work. This forex, it is a killer. It's not going to change any situation. But thank God today we have what we know today as the cryptocurrency market and cryptocurrency trading. It's a system which is a lot easier than trading on the forex market. And we are going to look briefly into the different areas of crypto trading. We have futures trading, we have margin trading, and then spot trading. What we do, where we find our succor, where we find peace, is trading spots. Crypto exchanges facilitate spot trading, which is a strategy in which traders buy or sell the underlying crypto asset at the current market price. The transaction is instantly settled, and spot trading in this sense simply means buying token at a lower price and selling it at a higher price. Please note, you can lose money trading futures and margin trades, but not with spot trading, because all you need is patience and discipline. Now, let us juxtapose the forex market or forex trading with the cryptocurrency market. Now, the forex market works 5 days a week, Monday to Friday. On Saturday and Sunday, there is no trading. But with the cryptocurrency market, it is a market that runs 24 hours, 7 days a week, nonstop. As we speak today, those of us who are crypto traders have already earned some money today. So if you are a crypto trader in the house and you have earned money today, just give me a capital yes, because I have earned money today. Let's see how many people have earned some money today trading on the crypto market. So Aletta said yes.
I want to shout yes.
Okay,
yes,
Yes.
You can see a lot of people are saying yes. So for those of us who have just joined and have not started making money, or are just hearing the system for the first time, it is not only LawyerTAJ that has made money or that is making money with crypto market using the RoyalQ app. A lot of people, as you can see on the chart, are making money every day trading on the cryptocurrency market. Another difference between the forex market and the cryptocurrency market is that in the forex market, you trade fiat currencies. And when we say fiat currencies, we say USD, GBP, Euro, JPY, and over 145 different fiat currencies today. But in the crypto market, what we trade are cryptocurrencies. We juxtapose them against each other. For example, BTC USD, Ethereum BTC, BNB BTC, and the likes. In the forex market, the volatility is generally lower. But with crypto trading, it has a high volatility, which creates value for us traders. Recently, we are seeing coins going up to 50%, 70%, 90% increase in a day. So imagine if you had your money placed to trade on that coin, you will tend to see massive profits in the market. And that's why we say we crypto traders, we love volatility, because volatility makes us money. The forex market is worth 7.5 trillion US dollars, but the crypto market is estimated at 2.4, in fact, it's 2.9 trillion right now. And with the oncoming bull run, we're going to see some trillions getting into the market. And these trillions are going to be used in buying different cryptocurrencies, not just Bitcoin, but other coins, which we know as altcoins, ALT coins. When the market closes your trade in loss in Forex, when your leverage capital cannot sustain the losses. So in regards to risk management in the Forex market, in regards to leverage capital in the Forex market, we're told that if you want to be a good risk manager, if you have $500, all you need to do is place trades with just $100. With $100, you place a trade, you leave like 400. When you are entering a trade with $100, you are advised to leave 400 so that if the market is going against you, you have leverage capital to sustain the losses. And that is where the losses come, because all of a sudden the market can just move and then you lose all your leverage and then you will be left with peanuts at the end of the day. But here in cryptocurrency trading, losses are only shown in the value of the crypto coins, not in the units of the coin. And these value increase over time. Now you can only access the Forex market through brokers, but with the cryptocurrency market, you can access the cryptocurrency market using cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, Bybit, and the likes. Forex trading gives you access to trade the currencies, not actually owning them. You only speculate on these currencies. But with the cryptocurrency market, cryptocurrency trading gives you ownership of these coins you trade with, which is an asset in itself. And that's why we say with cryptocurrency trading, we buy cryptocurrency assets and hold them. So as the value continues to increase, we earn on them. And then we need to talk about the types of market that we see in the cryptocurrency market. When we say a market is bullish, it means that there's positive sentiment, expected uptrends, higher volumes with high price, and demand being higher than supply. When we say the market is bearish, it means that the uptrend has reversed to a downtrend. There are lower prices, negative sentiments, and coins are decreasing in value. Right. A question that we need to ask ourselves is this: does the RoyalQ bot trade in the bull and the bear market? The answer is right before you. Yes. The RoyalQ bot is designed to trade successfully in both the bull and the bear market. The bot employs various strategies and tools that allows it to adapt to different market conditions. So even though the market is bearish, even though the coins are falling, we find a way to make profit using the RoyalQ app. Now, the question remains, what is this RoyalQ bot? RoyalQ bot is an automated cryptocurrency trading robot designed to help users trade digital assets more effectively by leveraging artificial intelligence and quantitative trading strategies. These are just English. To cut a long story short, RoyalQ is an app that you can integrate to your exchange. Your money remains with you while you trade with the money on the app. Your money is not in the app, which brings about 101 safety of your funds, and you earn profits by trading the market. These profits that you earn go directly into your exchange. So there's nothing like a situation where you are waiting for withdrawals or you are being told by your broker, you got to wait 48 hours to get your money when you withdraw and whatnot. Here, we do it ourselves and the money goes directly to our exchange. Now, what are the advantages of using the RoyalQ app? There are numerous to mention, but we're just going to talk about a few. For example, automated trading. This simply means that the app works 24/7. So all you need to do is set it and forget it. You place your trade, go about your duties. Anytime you like, you check on those trades, and then you see that you have made some profits. Exchange integration, which I just simply talked about here. We use what is called an API integration system to connect the RoyalQ app to your exchange where your trading capital is. And that is why we say it is 101% secure, because your money stays with you while you're trading on the market. Strategy customization. You have an opportunity to predefine strategies and customize strategies to your betterment. And that's why we want to thank the likes of Coach Namdi, the likes of Ade Direct, people who have come together to create what we know as the top gainer strategy, TGS. It is this strategy that is minting the USDTs, minting the dollars for us on a daily basis. And then when you talk of risk management in this system, we have take profit, but no stop losses, because we are not planning to lose. And that's one of the difference between cryptocurrency trading itself and forex trading. You have the opportunity to also diversify your portfolio in order to earn more. And then we have a user-friendly system, not just on the mobile app, also on the desktop. I need to change this to desktop. So you can access the RoyalQ through your mobile app or through your desktop on your computer. Real-time analysis. The RoyalQ app or the RoyalQ bot analyzes millions of data and gives us the opportunity to know what to do at any point in time in different time frames. For those of us who trade the forex market using the RoyalQ app, a system was created just a few weeks ago that helps us understand or helps us know that while we are placing a trade, we just look lower down to see the confirmation of the technical analysis recently created by RoyalQ for us. So that has also made us trade easier and make better profits from using the RoyalQ app. Co-host, please help me add the people on the waiting room. Thank you. Right, so another question. So another question is, how does the RoyalQ bot trade in a bearish market? How does the RoyalQ bot trade in a bearish market? Please mute your mics if you're not doing the presentation so we don't have much noises on there. So the RoyalQ bot trades in a bearish market using what we know as the dollar cost averaging system. So during a bear market, the bot can use the DCA to buy assets at different price points, reducing the average cost of holdings and preparing for eventual market recovery. So what it simply means that even though you have placed a trade and the trade is going to losses, at a certain time, the bot automatically uses the USDT in your spot wallet to buy the dip. So that eventually when this coin begins to reverse, when the market reverses and the coin begins to increase in value, you will be earning profits much more than you can imagine. Wherein you're hoping to earn $20, you can end up earning $60, $70, even $80, depend on the margin calls that the bot has done for you. I spoke about the beautiful features that this company has created for us through the app to help us trade. and you can see it right there on your screen. Technical indicators that the bot has automatically examined millions of data together, and therefore they created a barometer under each trade that you can see that shows you the way to go, if it is a strong buy, or if it's neutral, or if it's a sell. So what we look for when we're trading is if it is a strong buy or a buy, and then we can place those trades. And in the words that we use, we create the trades. And that's why you see create right on here. So what do I need to have my RoyalQ bot trading for me? Number one, you need an exchange account, either with Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, HTX, Indodax, Kraken, or OKX. This is where your trading capital will be. Your trading capital is not with RoyalQ. We do not give our money to anybody in this system. We learn with the TGS strategy, we trade for ourselves, and then we earn. You also need a registered email and password. A registered email and password which you use in doing your registration. And then just some shinkily money, 120 USDT that you need to rent this bot for 1 year. You need just 120 USDT to subscribe to this bot for a whole 12 months. And then some 20 to 50 USDT as your fuel fees. Because as you continue to make profits, the RoyalQ app deducts some certain amount as fuel fees for your trades. OJ Welch, you raise your hand. You're free to say something if you want. You're my boss. And like I said, the trading capital is in your exchange. You can start with $50 or $100 or more. Please note, all your funds or trading capital is in your exchange platform. Here, we do not send money to the bot or anyone to trade for us. So there is no fear of losses. Please say no to Ponzi. I know we are looking for monies in different ways, but please do not give your money to anybody. It never ends well. It never ends well. It may work for 1 year, 2 years, but when it is sweet you pass, now then they rug pull. When we say rug
It can't even work for 3 months.
Yeah, you are very correct. When we say rug pull, everybody loses money. They come with one story or the other. They'll tell you that this or that, and then we'll start looking at each other and hoping that the money comes. It never does come in most cases. So please say no to Ponzi, no matter how beautiful it is, whether they call it Skynet or intranet or AI net or whatever kind of net. Now, net, when they want to shop your money, please do not try it. Learn to trade yourself and have peace of mind, because you can have access to your money 24/7 any time of the day. So what are the ways that we earn with RoyalQ? There are 3 basic ways that we earn using the RoyalQ. Number 1 is trading income. So you earn every time the robot sells your coins. So we place the trade, we buy at a low price, the robot closes it when it gets to our take profits, and then we see these monies in our exchange. Another way we earn is called affiliate income. This is a system where you earn every time you share this opportunity with others. The question I have for you is, why will you not share this opportunity? I, for one, have been in the network marketing space for the better part of 8 years. I have lost monies in over 23 different businesses. I have grown teams in their thousands where people lost their money because they believed in the system. But today, we're doing that no more. And that's why I take it upon myself to make sure I do these meetings so that everyone who cares to listen, everyone who wants to create another stream of income, everyone who needs money can have the ability to trade for yourself and earn on your own. Another way we earn is team trading profits. So when you decide to build a team, you decide to help your brother, your sister, your colleague, your cousin, your church member, your pastor, anyone to have this bot and trade for them. Every time they earn profits using the bot, some certain amount of percentage are paid to you, generated from your team members. And that is what we know as residual income. Please, if you're not looking at the screen, just take a look at the screen. The potential income that you stand to earn if you are building a team. Although you do not need to, because some people have a lot of money in their trading capital. They're making thousands of dollars daily, hundreds of dollars daily, according to your capital. But if you are a natural team builder, you want to help people, you want to make sure people are alleviated from poverty, you want to make sure that you earn in good currency, even though you are in Nigeria and our Naira is falling. Then when you show this opportunity to others and you begin to hit the ranks, this is what is possible for you from members of your team and their trading. I'm a V2 member just like 3 weeks ago. And sometimes I wake up to see some dollars in my account, not from my trading, but from the fact that my team members are trading and they are earning. And so with a V2, you can earn between $10 to $50 daily. The V3, you can earn between $50 to $500 daily. If you hit the V4, that's $500 to $1,000 daily. If you hit the V5 rank, you can earn between $1,000 to $4,000. And ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you the greatest rank ever, the V6 rank. With the V6, you can earn between $5,000 to $10,000 daily. No jokes, people. No cap. It's real. RoyalQ provides the best crypto trading platform with big potential income. So how do I get started? You're on this call, someone invited you, you came on the call to learn more, to know if this is an opportunity you can key into. You have a lot of dependents who you send money to monthly to take care of themselves. You're looking for a way to empower them. You need an education that can create wealth for you. You are in the right place. Because if you're here and you like what you have just heard, you see a lot of people typing yes, 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 yes. You're earning on a daily basis from RoyalQ. Just get back to who invited you to this call and ask for the link or their invite code to register. Registration, ladies and gentlemen, is free. So you can register, have the app, have the time to go through the app, see all what is in there. And then you can make the decisive move to rent or subscribe with the bots. When you do that, we'll simply teach you how to integrate the bot with your exchange, put in a strategy on there, and show you how to trade. Ladies and gentlemen, the system that we have, even a 10-year-old can earn money just by implementing the simple TGS top gainer strategy system. Please note that your trading capital remains with you. So for example, if you use Binance, your trading capital is in Binance, and you have 100% possession of your money with the profits going directly to your exchange wallet, not to the RoyalQ bots. So what are the advantages of trading with RoyalQ? No data is required because it is a blockchain miracle. You can trade at your convenience. So you can set it in the morning, forget it, and come back in the evening and see how your trades have gone. If they're all closed in profits, you place the trades again and go to sleep. By the time you wake up, you see that you have made some profits for yourself. And I tell you, even as a lawyer, that is the sweetest part of my morning. When I wake up and check my phone and I see that I have already started making some money already. And you know, with our current Nigerian situation, 1 USDT is almost 1,620 Naira. So even if you are making 100 USDT on a daily basis, that's some huge amount of money, which some people don't even earn on a monthly basis. I can't wait to hear the testimony of my brother, OJ Wealth, because just yesterday, with less than $2,000, that man made over 40% return on investment in a day, ladies and gentlemen. So when people tell me about bonds and stocks and say you get an annual ROI of 4%, of 6%, come on, that's old and traditional system. With cryptocurrency, we can even earn 100% in a day. No jokes, people. Just wait for that testimony and you will see. I'm pretty sure he might share his screen so that you can see. Please, Oga, share your screen so that you're going to not be just talk. You are a co-host already. You can just share your screen. May they see the money live and direct. This will not be story. Your capital is 100% in your possession. This is what we always say. Your profits go straight to your Binance exchange, not the bot. And this is a business that your kids can inherit, because insofar as there exists the cryptocurrency market, there exists Bitcoin and over 2,000 and counting different cryptocurrencies, this market is going nowhere. You know, as old as the forex market is over 150 years old, we will continue to see more funds injected into the cryptocurrency market. And I dare say a time will come when the cryptocurrency market, which will be much more higher in value than the forex market that we see today. No skill is required. You do not need any degree certificate to get started. You need no degree to know how to trade. You do not need to go to any form of school to earn in USDT in this business. No loss of funds, and that is something that a lot of people find it hard to understand. We do not lose our funds in spot trading. What we buy are assets. We hold these assets. The assets only lose value or increase in value. When it is losing value, all we need to do is to be patient, because patience is the key, as many of these trades must retrace over time. I'm not even talking of the system that we have today that is working effectively, and the fact that we are in the bull run. 2024 is the year of the bull run. After this meeting, we'll just talk a little bit about the bull run so y'all can understand what I mean. Possession of cryptocurrency itself for holding purpose, for greater profits. So besides trading, for the fact that you're trading, you will tend to see and know some of these coins that are basically going to increase in value. And then you can buy them and keep them in your wallet. So even as your trading goes on, as those coins continue to increase in value, you are creating massive wealth in the system. So how much do you need to really get started with RoyalQ? Ladies and gentlemen, it's just $140. Do not mind the screen where you see $240, because $140 is broken down into $120 for the bot, about $20 for your fuel fees. Then whatever you have as your trading capital, a minimum of $100, or even $50, or even $30, you can start trading with it. When you begin to see those cents begin to increase in value, becoming dollars, you will understand that this is an opportunity you cannot sleep on. Now, the RoyalQ bot is 100% safe and secure. And we're just trying to be minimal when we say that you can make a monthly profit of 5 to 30%. You can make that 5 to 30% in a day, mostly in the bull run, which we see is beginning. So you can monitor your trades 24/7. The bot monitors your trades 24/7, which allows you to relax. The bot always buy at low price and sell at high price, therefore making maximum profits for you. The robot trades using special risk management system that allows you profit. And then with the sub-bin mode, you have the ability to take profit even when the price is falling. And so we want to say a few words here. The key to getting started, the key to getting ahead is getting started. I'll say it again. The key to getting ahead is getting started. They say when you are shown an opportunity, say yes and learn it afterwards. Invest in 7 ventures. Yes, in 8, because you do not know what disaster may come upon the land. Ecclesiastes 11 verse 2. And also in the morning sow your seed, and at evening withhold not your hand, for you do not know which will prosper, this or that, or whether both alike will be good. And so when we say TGS strategy, top gainer strategy, I just put a little breakdown for you here so you can understand what we mean. So the TGS strategy just simply means once the price action hits the lower or middle Bollinger Band, And the purple line of the KDJ indicator is above the two other lines and facing upwards. You create an order to buy. That's all we use in earning. We have different working strategies that work, but we use the simplest strategy, the TGS strategy, which creates income on a daily basis for us. And so what are the benefits of being a part of our team? Every Sunday, 8 p.m., we do our crypto education series for prospects. That's what we're doing now, is our crypto education series, because you're being educated and you're learning that, yes, you can actually create another stream of income using the system, trading on the crypto market, having your money with you, and also packing up those coins that are going to increase in value. You are not left alone when you become a member. Every Tuesday, 9 p.m. West African time, we do our RoyalQ crypto trading members training. And in that training, you get to learn much more about the system. We have strategies that you can use. You can ask questions. You can hear from leaders and top traders who have been doing this for quite some time. And I tell you, it's an education you can never get anywhere. I did my master's in fintech at the Manchester Metropolitan University, but I was not taught crypto trading. I wasn't taught how to earn money with that knowledge. But here, you get something that is directly proportionate to you earning money. So if you want to be part of our team, please get back to who showed you this opportunity and tell them, listen, I think I want to give it a try. What do you have to lose? 120 USDT? It's for 12 months. You have your money with you. So how can you lose something that is 101% in your possession? Ladies and gentlemen, now is the time that we need to hear the testimony from Mr. OJ Wealth, who made over 40% trading on the crypto market using RoyalQ app just some few days ago. Also, the mic is yours. Fire down.
LawyerTAJ, thank you very much. Awesome presentation. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you loud and clear. We can hear you loud and clear.
All right. The RoyalQ app is one of the 9 wonders of the world. If you are consistent, if you are patient with the app, and you understand what you are doing, you can actually milk the market. A lot of yesterday, not actually yesterday, this week, I think I've done above close to $1,000 plus $1,500. Yes.
Please, sir, can you share your screen? You know, seeing is believing. Some people here,
all right,
they are doubting Thomas's.
Okay, let me just share my screen. Let me share my screen. I'm trying to. It's taking coming. Let me just share my screen. Image from file. Okay, screen. Okay, this is my Royal. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, seeing it loud and clear, sir.
All right. On the 21st, that was on the 20th, that was $15. On the 21st, that was $18. On the 22nd, that was $45. On the 23rd, that was $236. On the 24th, that was $523. On the 25th, that's $126. Can you see it?
Yes, very well.
So this is pure trading. And the beautiful thing is, not all my capital is really somehow on floating loss. Floating loss is part of the, you can't escape it. Floating loss is not a loss, it's delayed profits. They will all come out.
Delayed profit.
It's delayed
I like
profit.
that.
Yes, it's delayed profit. It's loading up. It can be 2 weeks, it can be 2 months, it doesn't matter. When that coin pump up, you can get 1,000% out of it. So this is the story. Okay, I can show you.
Yes, I'll just click on that eye. Just remove that eye, so we'll
Okay.
just see the monies that you have earned on the business. And then
You can see the various trades that was sold out. I did almost 10 trades, and all sold out. All sold out. The TGS strategy, I'm an engineer, I'm an electrical and electronics engineer. With my knowledge of physics and the sine wave, the signals, RoyalQ has even helped us to give us indicators. But I want to warn that the indicator says it's a good buy does not necessarily mean it's a good buy. There are other things you must look out for. You must look out for those 2 factors. Then you must look out for other things that will help you select. You have more than top trades that you can select from and do your trading. But one thing is sure, if you are in this group, you are in this team, and you are listening to what we are teaching you, and you are patient. Before I got here, it was not just yesterday. It took me time before I honed my skill. You do really well with your RoyalQ business. The system is simple, but with patience and perseverance, you perfect it and you start making money. If I look at a trade
please, before you go on, you see, just click on this your eye, this sign here that covers your total revenue. You can just show it only once. You can close it back so that people just understand.
Okay, I don't need to hide it now. Why? I don't need to hide it. Is there? Wow. You can see it now. $2,700.
Somebody was asking you, how much are you trading with?
Okay, it's not really this 4 days now. I have a trading capital of up to. Okay, I can only check it.
Yes,
I can check it. This is my trading capital. You can see my trading capital here. This is my trading capital. But not all this capital is traded. Are you getting me?
Yes.
What I have used.
Why are you doing giveaway?
What I have used for the past.
When are you doing giveaway?
Who be that one? Who is pulling my leg again?
Nah, madam, okay. When the mother, okay, the house of giveaway. Now you go do giveaway.
I just know.
When are you doing empowerment?
I'm doing it now. I'm teaching now. So this trade, I want to clear something. You know, a lot of people, they've been bombarding me since 4 days. My inbox is not resting. How much are you trading with? It's not about how much are you trading with. This profit that I made, I did not trade more than $3,000. But for example, now this trade that I made $523, I traded one coin 7 times. Son, I traded 7 times. I have time. I am patient. I watch the trade. I monitor it. RoyalQ is my business in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. I lost more than $100,000 into Ponzi scheme 2-3 years ago. $100,000. I don't do any other business apart from RoyalQ. Nothing. Morning is RoyalQ. Afternoon is RoyalQ. Evening is RoyalQ. Night is RoyalQ. Because my plan in the next 24 months is $1 million. Thank you, LawyerTAJ. You can continue.
God bless you, my brother. I bet never talk about those $1 million. Make some people not go fence this night. Some people are thinking of how to activate their bots. Oh, guy, you want to go to $1 million? Some people cannot sleep. Thank God that we don't have Dr. Money on this call.
Oh, Dr. Money, our boss.
If Dr. Money was on the call, the mind not go touch ground this night. Yes, so I want to take some of the questions that is put on here. What is the best time to trade? You can trade anytime. The RoyalQ The cryptocurrency market is 24 hours, 7 hours, 24 hours, 7 days a week. So there's no actually best time. It is only when you're trading the forex market you take into consideration the time that Europe opens or the time that the Japanese market opens, although there are some correlation in that, but basically you can actually trade anytime. Today is Sunday and a lot of us have already made profits with it. Please, can Binance USA work with RoyalQ app? Yes, it can, but with some restrictions. So some of my team members who are in the US, we go the extra mile of number one, they can get a paid VPN and open the Binance on there. Or I can help them open the account here in Nigeria and send them the details. That way they can follow up, they can do their trading. Will I be paying for fuel fee every month? No, you will not be paying for fuel fee every month. You'll be paying for fuel fee every time you make profits. The company removes some certain percentage of the monies, of the fuel fees that you already put in there. So that's why we say,
you should be happy that the spoil fee is going down.
Yes, it's going down. That's to show you that you're making money. So you see that fuel fee, we say $20 or $30 on there. So as you begin to make profits, they take some cents from those values of that $20 or $30 that you have there. Please, for Nigerian resident prospects intending to join RoyalQ, how do you advise them to buy their USDT for their bot activation? Yes, so you just get back to who is bringing you or the person you're using the link. We have our own dedicated WhatsApp group of over 900 traders that buy and sell USDT. So even if you need USDT of $1 million, that can be done in 24 hours. That is no problem at all. We have that on lockdown because there are members too who want to sell their USDT and get cash. We have the opportunity to have them also on there. What else can I do to earn more in my RoyalQ? We explained further that not just the trading capital, you also can earn by showing the business to someone, and you also earn when your team members are earning profits as they trade. Please, can you help me with settings I can save to always use? Helen, get back to your upline, and I'm pretty sure they can help you with that. So do we have any more questions? We're just a few minutes over the 9 p.m. mark. Just a few minutes over the 9 p.m. mark. Before we go, I want to just do a little explanation on when we say bull run. When we say bull run, what do we mean? Yes, Mr. OJ Wealth, you can quit sharing your screen now.
Okay.
So when we say bull run, what do we actually mean by the bull run? Now, Bitcoin started 2008, and when we say Bitcoin mining, unlike mining process where you are digging for gold, this is a virtual system where you need input, you need supercomputers working on an algorithm to mine this Bitcoin. Every 4 years, that is what is called Bitcoin halving. Halving simply means that the input used in mining Bitcoin is being cut into half. Cryptocurrency market works on the market forces of demand and supply. And you very well know that the lower the supply, the higher the demand. And so what happens every Bitcoin halving, which takes place every 4 years, is the fact that you see a lot of demand for the Bitcoin, which increases the value of the Bitcoin. So I'm just going to take you back to the year 2000. Yes, the year 2000. No, so we had the last one, 2020. Before 2020, we had 2016, and we had 2012. Every 4 years, when this Bitcoin halving happens, within a few months from there, we call it the bull run year. Because when the Bitcoin halving happens and the value of Bitcoin mining is being cut, there's an increase in supply. There's an increase in demand. And on this demand, it's very important to understand that a lot of people tend to buy more in these times. And when Bitcoin increases, it affects the entire cryptocurrency market. Why? Because being the number one currency and being the currency that a lot of people know and use, it creates a system where so far it controls over 50% of the market. All other altcoins, alternative coins, also increase in value. 2020, that happened. 2016, that happened. We have a graph that shows the graphical presentation of every 4 years when the Bitcoin halving begins and when the bull run begins. By my calculation, I might not be correct, but the bull run is going to fully be in work by next month, September. And that is why we are showing you guys this. The kind of profit we will make this year for the next 12 months, it will be blood money without blood. For those who are crypto analysts, for those who understand what it means. Because you know why? Bro, it's not true now. See, 2020, when the Bitcoin halving began at that time, we still had governments who were saying no to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a scam. It is used for fraud. It is used for this, used for that. A lot has happened since 2020. Currencies. They are the ones dragging Bitcoin now. Today, countries are buying this Bitcoin and keeping it and holding it. If you don't know, in the financial sector, there is so much problems that they are just trying to patch and patch and patch and patch. We're seeing it even happening in Nigeria. I think just 2 days ago, 2 banks had to merge together because the market capitalization, they can't even afford 25 billion. A lot is happening on the ground. We know the amount of thieving that is going on in the country today. We know who Mr. Efiebele, or what is his name? We heard of the trillions of naira that he illicitly printed. But you can't do that if it's crypto, because the total value of Bitcoin that can be mined is 21 million. As we speak, 19 million has already been mined. It will take till 2054 before the total value of Bitcoin can be mined. We have a world of billions of people. This knowledge you're getting, people, not everybody knows it, and not everybody understands it. With the way institutional acceptance have come into the system, it shows us that we have a system that is very, very awesome. So I think this brings us to the end of the call, because I'm saying this because for you, for those who are joining, for those who will join, you have a system where you're going to see a lot of coins increase in value. So take advantage of what you have just heard. We're going to set the recording. I'm going to put it on my YouTube channel. Just in case you don't know, my YouTube channel is, I'm going to put it on here. Crypto Trader Extra. Tonight. For those who are in the same group with us, we always share the links for these meetings. So after the meeting, I'm going to upload it on the channel and then share the link with you all so that you can use it on your own time. So let people know how wonderful this opportunity is and how they can create income for themselves at this time. Once again, we just passed the 9 o'clock time. I want to thank you all for being on the call. And like we always do, please unmute yourself. Let's say our goodbyes. God bless you. See you on Tuesday for our crypto trading meeting. And also see you on Sunday where we have all our prospects coming to the call. You want to know much more about the bull run? Join us in the training. So good night. God bless you all.
Did well.
Good night. Thank you.
Good night.
Good night. Thank you.
Thank you all. God bless you.
Good night. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Good night, sir. Thank you very much.